If you want a lush, green, healthy lawn next spring, the time to aerate and overseed is right now. With the right equipment and supplies, plus a little instruction from your friends at Planting Tree, you can aerate and overseed your yard like a pro this fall. Here's what you'll need. For equipment, you'll need sprinkler flags, a garden weasel cultivator, a rake, seed spreader, and of course, an aerator. As for products, we recommend buying Lesco brand products, including their premium seed, starter fertilizer with NOS technology, and hydro cover. Once you've gathered everything, you're ready to go. It's easy to prep your lawn for aerating and overseeding. Since you won't be mowing for at least 2 weeks afterward, make sure your lawn is cut nice and short. Then mark your sprinkler heads to prevent damage to your irrigation system. Next up, dethatching, which means raking off the layer of organic matter that typically forms between the soil and grass on your lawn. Last but not least, show those trouble spots on your lawn who's boss with a garden weasel cultivator. That's it for prep. Now you're ready to roll, literally. It's time to break out the aerator. The reason we aerate is to break up the compacted soil underneath the grass, which makes it easier for water, air, and nutrients to reach the grass roots. The holes you make when you aerate are like little pathways to help your lawn get all the important things it needs to grow. Now that you've created your pathways, it's time to get things growing with seed and fertilizer. The size of your yard will determine how much of a supply you'll need. Typically, it's between 3 to 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. As you lay down the seed and fertilizer, be sure to make even, overlapping passes so you don't miss any spots. If you have any stubborn bare patches in your yard, and don't we all, you might want to do a little extra to whip them into shape. First, disturb the surface even further and put additional seed down. Spread some peat moss on top, and then apply hydro cover mulch to lock in moisture and prevent your seeds from drying out. Your bare patches will become a distant memory come springtime. Watering your lawn for 1 to 2 weeks after you aerate is absolutely critical to get the growth you're looking for. But be careful not to overdo it, because too much water can wash away your new seed. Congratulations! You're well on your way to healthy roots, hardy green grass, and most likely, jealous neighbors. So enjoy! Until next time, from all of us at Planting Tree, happy aerating! For more information or to order any of the products you've seen in this video, visit our website at plantingtree.com.